Word's name. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. Swan. This is swan. Swan means Hans. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Flamingo means Rajhans. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker means Katfodba. Warbler. This is warbler. Warbler means Futki. Parrot. This is parrot. Parrot means Tota. Partridge. This is partridge. Partridge means Teeter. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Pigeon means Kabutar. Quail. This is quail. Quail means Bater. Peacock. This is peacock. Peacock means More. Nightingale. This is nightingale. Nightingale means Bulbul. Owl. This is owl. Owl means Ullu. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Ostrich means Suturmurg. Mena. This is Mena. Mena means Mena. Hen. This is hen. Hen means Murgi. Vulture. This is vulture. Vulture means Gidd. Indian roller. This is Indian roller. Indian roller means Nilkant. Crane. This is crane. Crane means Saras. Cock. This is cock. Cock means Murga. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Kingfisher means Ramchiriya. Crow. This is crow. Crow means Koa. Cuckoo. This is cuckoo. Cuckoo means Koyal. Duck. This is duck. Duck means Batak. Please subscribe. Bye bye.